2025 was a good year for you. Di ba?
Yes, yes.
Agosto nung 2025, nabalitaan namin that nagkaayos na kayo ng kaibigang Paulo Contis.
Yes.
What is the story, Lian? Ano ang kwento?
Actually, matagal yung process. Nag-reach out siya, matagal na. So, quiet lang naman talaga kami kasi yun na nga, I'm out of the limelight already and hinintay ko rin naman na mag-heal ako.
Tama.
Yes, pero nakita ko yung sincerity ni Paolo kasi because more than me, mas nagme-message siya kay John, sa husband ko.
Okay.
Yes.
Naalala mo kung kailan? The first time he reached out to John?
Siguro after pandemic.
After pandemic. Magkaibigan sila? Magkakilala sila?
No.
Oh, okay. So, he got the number of John and decided to communicate with John.
He communicated with John through Instagram.
Okay, IG.
Oo,
Okay,
yes.
message.
Message.
Okay.
Tapos, nung una, parang hesitant pa kami, of course, because showbiz nga ganyan. And I'm keeping the kids talaga away from, the
Nagkaroon
media.
ng problema. Oo.
Yeah,
I mean,
nagkaroon ng problema. And mahirap, of course, magtiwala at first. But then, I've seen his sincerity and I've seen myself also, Tito Boy, na I'm also, may mga pagkukulang din ako. So, it's really by the grace of God.
ganda naman. I mean, napakaganda na yung perspective na, oo, it takes two to dance.
Yes.
Pero ang gusto kong malaman, ano ang reaksyon ni John nung una niyang natatanggap yung mga messages ni Pao?
Siyempre, very protective talaga siya sa amin. Ang unang iniisip talaga niya, more than me, is yung mga bata talaga.
Okay.
So, ayaw din namin na mabigla sila, magulat sila, because yung mga bata is lumaki talaga sa amin ni John. So,
Alright.
babies pa sila, maliliit pa talaga sila, nasa amin na sila. So, I don't want them na parang magulat sila sa situation and all. So, pinahinayaan lang namin yung panahon. I think it's really just the right time.
Lian, take me to that moment. Nung after the first message, halimbawa ni Paolo, kay John, paano yung pag-uusap niyo? Paano i-bring up ni John sa'yo?
Kasi kami naman ni John, open talaga kami mag-communicate. So, everyday kami magkasama. And then, yun, sabi niya na, I think you have to see this message. Pinabasa niya sa akin yung message. So, tinanong niya ako, are you ready?
Okay. Yes. At ang sagot mo noon ay?
Ang sagot ko ay, hindi pa. Hindi pa. Kasi gusto ko talagang makita yung effort talaga niya na talagang dire-diretso na, tuloy-tuloy ba. Tsaka, Tito Boy, pinag-pray ko talaga.
Without having to go into the problems. Pero dumating yung pagkakataon, correct me if I'm wrong ha, na balita na parang the kids were, I mean just to show you na ang pinanggalingan ay problema, the kids were requesting for them to drop the family name Contis. Totoo yun?
Hindi naman nila request talaga na ayaw na nila, no? But, kasi dumaan din kasi yung mga bata na nabubuli sa school, natatanong about that, and then, siguro napagod na sila sa mga tanong. So, they just want, let's just get it over with.
Doon ang galing yun?
Oo, doon ang galing yun.
So, noong nag-umpisa mag-message si Pao kay John, nalaman siyempre ng mga bata. Did you consult the children?
No.
No, you didn't.
Yes.
Pero eventually nalaman nila. Ba't hindi niyo sinabi sa kanila?
Because I think they are not ready.
Okay, during that time.
Masyadong marami nangyayari sa school, pagod din sila sa school, and nakakatuwa kasi very, very focused yung mga bata sa school.
Right.
They're really top students in school, so I don't want to jeopardize that. So, tinignan muna namin talaga kung okay ba.
Ano yung turning point ng mga bata? Anong turning point? Saan sila, when did they realize that it was okay to start a relationship again with their father? I'm talking about Sonia and Celine.
Yes. Actually, decision din namin ni John. We decided to let the kids know already. And we asked them, of course, kung sila mismo ready na. And pinakita ko kasi sa kanila, Tito Boy, na ayoko makita at masabi ng mga anak ko na hindi ako marunong magpatawad. So, pinakita ko sa kanila na girls, hindi perpekto ang papa nyo, ganun din si mama. But we want this family to be okay.
Right.
I think everybody deserves a chance. And we prayed about this, and we know that, everyone is accountable to the Lord.
Okay.
So let's just put it that way. Do you want to give your papa a chance?
At ang
And-
sagot ng mga bata.
Yes, of course.
Oh. Oo. Ang ganda ng latag, no? Ang ganda ng latag. Konsepto ng pagpapatawad, hindi perfect si Papa, hindi ako perfect. And the salient message also, pag kinakausap ang mga bata ng ganito, hindi tayo perfect.
Yes.
But we can do something about our weaknesses.
Yeah.
Ang nakakaano lang,